Alright, so let's figure out how to put this thing. I don't have an intro, by the way, in case I ever post this on YouTube. Ow, that hurts. No, can you do that while I...
Yeah, okay.
Please actually film it. Shut up on it. Ow. That is not particularly easy to open. Okay, there we go. Were you actually filming that?
Yes.
Oh my god. Alright, let's... No, I know.
Pull it out like that. No.
No, yes, this is how you... Oh my
Yes,
god.
Yes, smart.
Shut up.
Change.
So, dude, stop. I'm gonna post this on YouTube, probably. I'm one-handing it. Is there anything I can stand this up on? Okay, this looks pretty cool. That's the big part of it. This is Delta 777 with the front gear on it.
Secret.
Skymarks. Bunch of stuff there. There's the wing. One wing. Another wing. That's a stand. There's the other wing.
This is the stand.
That's another part of the stand, and that's the engines. No idea what that is. So, can you hold this up?
Unbox. Oh, there are more wings in here.
Yeah, that's like the tail. Could you hold the thing while I do the stingy thing? Okay, so, some scissors here.
Wait,
oh wait, it comes out the back. Okay. This looks pretty good. For plastic, that's actually surprisingly heavy.
Are you sure it's plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic. Else it wouldn't be. That's quite heavy. It's high quality plastic. It's like good plastic, not gonna break in a week plastic.
So this is die cast snapped together.
No, it's some of it is. I think a couple pieces are die cast, but most of this is high quality plastic, I believe. How does this? Stop it. Okay. Where's the other one? So it appears that it is one of those ones where the gear is. No, can you please stop? Where the gear is not able to be removed and re-put on, because could this actually go in properly? I'm trying to get that. There we go. Yeah. Now these things here. Winglets. No, those are the stabilizers. What the fuck? I cannot do things. This is the left side. Goes in right. And then the right side. I wonder if I can just like. No, I can't. This one out right here. And there we go. This looks pretty good. There is the hole in the center for the stand. No gear tilt though. Oh wait, oh there is gear tilt. I didn't even realize that. Pretty good.